very short. I'll just skip it. This is our credential. You might find more details about our firm on our website. As Dr. Goda introduced it, there are some specific aspects which every draft person keeps in mind, but generally what happens is he only considers USPTO and EPO. Very rarely a draft person will consider a Chinese patent office, the practices with the Chinese patent office, specifically when he's drafting a electronics related or computer related invention case. But people don't consider jurisdictions such as India. And when these applications enter into the Indian national phase, the problems start arising. So what I have done is I have structured my presentation into two major areas which are problematic. One is the CRA, computer-related inventions, and the other one is in the pharma sector. Being a person having an electronics background, let me start with the CRA-related issues and touch upon the major provisions which are problematic. The provision is Section 3K and Section 10.4, which is relating to enablement. Quite problematic in terms of Section 3K is while people say it is borrowed from EPO, it carries a word algorithm which is not as such excluded from EPO, number one. People tend to believe that that word algorithm should be interpreted in a manner to mean mathematical methods or should be meaning an abstract idea. There is no definitive interpretation for the word algorithm, and if I have to take an Oxford dictionary and try to read the meaning of algorithm, it says it's a step-by-step process for solving a problem, more particularly implemented in respect of a computer as done by a computer software codes. So when I'm looking at a process which is more towards a process of carrying out let's say handshake between two mobile stations or a mobile station and a base station, generally it is implemented by a software. Definitely it's a step-by-step process. While it may solve a technical problem, the word algorithm here in Section 3K, there is no conditionality of if it solves a technical problem, it shall be patentable. That particular position of law is not there. So therefore, there are issues when the Indian application is being prosecuted that the patent office says that even if you show a technical advancement, it is insufficient proof for patentability because the word algorithm unfortunately is placed at the end of Section 3K and the word per se comes in between. So this is quite unique, it's not like EP. And then comes the second issue of Section 10.4. Fine, I say that, okay, there is generally, I would say looking at cases which were drafted in the year 2000 to 2000, something like that, people try to say that, okay, there's a base station, but will not try to define as to what are the internal components of the base station or what are the internal components of this particular equipment which does this functionality. At max, there will be some statement obnoxiously sitting somewhere. A boilerplate paragraph will be there saying that all these functionalities could be done by a software, by hardware, by a ASIC, or anything and everything under the sun. While that may be sufficient vis-a-vis